From the beginning, we said that our demand is that from the beginning, we said we don't want to stay in this country because we are not safe here. From this 6 months, we don't get even small help from the southern government. So how are you going to believe they're going to help us? When they get in, they were sprayed without talking with any people. They just sprayed. When they sprayed, a lot of children was there, a lot of women was there. Also, some women was pregnant. They was getting too much trouble. So they was beating some guys also. After they're removing with force, not like suitable. They were just removing with force. When they're removing force, then they're just like they're pushing to get everybody in the bus. And we leaders also say our people, the guys don't need to fight with them. They're police. They can shoot you. Just get in bus. Let's see what is there going to happen. Here is more critical condition right now. It's very cold. Church was better because there was have a nice toilets also there. There was also shower there. Also there was we're getting hot water there for the children because we have a lot of children there. You know, children can't drink milk with cold water. We need hot water. But still, we didn't manage it because they didn't give any option. There's no plug inside to make a hot water. Also, water sometimes is coming, sometimes is going. We have 5 toilets here, but all of toilet is full. They don't want more than 100 people staying together. But here we are 600 people together. It's been not because of Corona. They want to remove us from there. They don't want us to stay there in church. That's why they just remove us forced from the church. Imagine, we don't get any help from this South African government. Actually, we want to remove from this church.